In this video, we're going to discuss the midpoint formula and how we can find the point that's right in the middle between two other points. So let's say we're given the point 0, 0, and also the point 2, 2. So we'll plot it. 0, 0 is here, 2, 2 is here. The midpoint means you want to find the point that's right smack dab in the middle. And the formula we can use for it is this one right here. And notice that it's already written in its ordered pair, so you find each one separately and then you place it back into its ordered pair. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So we have 0 plus 2 all over 2 for the x values, and then the y values, 0 plus 2 all over 2. And that'll be 2 over 2. Let's just scribble. And then when you clean that up, your midpoint is 1, 1. And usually red is like midpoint, like that. MP. Not M, because I'm a slope, right? Okay, let's try another example. Find the midpoint between -1, -3 and 2, -5. So we start by writing the midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 all over 2, y1 plus y2 all over 2. Label your points, and we substitute them in. So we have -1 plus 2 all over 2. And then you have -3 plus -5 all over 2. So your midpoint is going to be -1/2 and -8 over 2. And that cleans up to be -1/2 and -4.